What's up, guys? So in this video I picked up this intercooler for the Mustang. It is nothing crazy. It's just a cheap eBay air-to-air intercooler. That's all it is. Nothing crazy. I did get a turbo feed line for the car, and the turbo feed line is not long enough for the car, so especially where I'm trying to go with it. But yeah, I got this intercooler for this car because I am doing an air-to-air setup, coming off the turbo down and around and back up into the intake. Got a couple of these brackets. You can tell I tried to already start bending them. Got some hardware for the top of it, so I'm just gonna try to use the existing holes. I mean, I kind of made a couple holes there because I kind of put the brackets up there, and so kind of just figure out where I want it at. But I'm probably gonna use those factory holes from the airbag sensors on these cars. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so I do have the heater on in here, so there'll probably just be a little bit of background noise, but let's go ahead and get started mounting this intercooler. I got this stool set out here, so I can kind of just set it up here and see where I want it, which that looks alright to me. Just a good idea. And then I also got these brackets, which I kind of started bending. I bent them at the bottom just by looking at other people's pictures of how they did it. And what's nice about these cars is, like, on the front, the airbag sensors was up here. So, I mean, you can use those existing holes that's there. Go ahead and toss this one on over here. Let's see where we're at. I did mark the line on the bracket of where I wanted to bend it, which, I mean, hell, these little aluminum brackets, you just bend them with your thumb. Okay. And which was nice about this intercooler, came with everything. That's what I was trying to do. Keep them starting. Just let it hang through. That way I can kind of see where I want it at. I mean, it don't look too bad. It also don't look too sad though either. Yeah, it needs to come over this way a little bit. Which I can just type it up. I don't know how I feel about those brackets. They're kind of flimsy. Oh yeah, this is like almost the perfect size. just because like now that it's tight, it's like perfectly resting on the hood latch, and the hood latch still works. Not too bad. I mean, for using the existing holes that was already there from the airbag sensors, not bad. It could be pulled out a little bit. Which, I mean, the intercooler piping will also hold it out though too. Or, I mean, I could put a support down here. But, not too bad. Turns out alright. Pretty simple pretty simple thing to do. I mean, a couple brackets, figure out where you want to mount the brackets, and then set the intercooler up there, and then mount the intercooler. But, yeah, I think it looks alright. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, it's not going in. Well, guys, that's the way the intercooler turned out. It didn't turn out too bad, in my opinion. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. It'll be more sturdy once I get intercooler piping on it, but it looks alright. The bracket on the right-hand side is not straight, but it's okay. I probably will add a little support on the bottom. I don't know. It just depends on how sturdy it is with the brackets and everything when I get the intercooler piping on it and the couplings and everything. So, but as far as the update on the car goes, I did get a G8 water pump, which it's probably gonna work. I do need to get fuel rails and finish the fuel side of this up. I do have a set of LS.stangz injectors. They're used. I might get them clean and use them. It just depends. Get some spark plug wires, get the rest of the hot side, the rest of the cold side, wastegate, intercooler, you know, stuff like, or wastegate, blow off. Hell, I can't talk. But yeah, that is pretty much that on this video. I appreciate you guys a lot for watching, honestly. Share, like, comment, subscribe. I mean, you know the deal. But yeah.